Need to remove watermark in VitaApp? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily remove watermark on VitaApp. Start by heading over to your application Vita. Make sure you are logged in. Also, you must be using the updated version of this app. Once you've got the updated version, now click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, you can see the option of Vita Watermark. If it has been enabled, you simply need to toggle off this feature. Once you have turned off, now the watermark on VitaApp will be removed. If you head over to your project and then import the video, the watermark will not be visible to you. After that, you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can remove watermark in VitaApp. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.